Let's say you have been keeping a log of your work. You would like to find out how many hours you've worked so far. You can notice here at the end of each month, there is a row called Total, which lists the total hours for that month. So let's copy this data and paste it to CoderNotepad. Let's filter the lines with the word total, since we only need that line to count the totals. It has also extracted other lines that had the word total. So let's remove the lines that doesn't have total at the start. Here is how to do it. We check Not and click Remove Lines. Now let's split the line by equal sign. Let's trim to clean up spaces. Now let's quickly sort it. We can get rid of total lines. Finally, let's split. Keep the first word from each line. Here, we have successfully extracted only the total hours for each month. Finally, let's sum the hours. This is the result we wanted. The employee has worked 11,000 hours so far. Please try CoderNotepad today to solve problems like this. Please go to CoderNotepad.com.